Hey, it's update time! So, let's investigate. And extends, look at that. A bit crusty. It's incredible. Nothing's really altered yet. We've just been testing things and checking things work. So now the batteries have got an air suspension fault. Now here we've got control. So if we press up, definitely got something to look at there. This is the error. Initialization unsuccessful. Error during initialization. Got our ride height. That's what it's set at the moment. And we tell it to go low. It will make some venting sounds. And our suspension drops. Okay, so that's low, so that's good. So let's go back high again, and high. Up we go. There you go, we're at full height. So that's good. So that's confirmation that the system actually works. So if we now go to our error codes, see whether they clear. Right, so we've still got one code. So let's see whether the lights turn off now. And check. Suspension. So we've still got an issue. So more research is needed on that. However, we do at least have some progress. Let's have a look at the back with the power on. I love this. I think this is cool. I wish I could find a way of leaving this in a camper. But I don't think a camper really needs it, really. So we press that button and the ramp drops down and extends. Look at that. Okay, so now we've got a nice level floor coming out the ambulance onto our ramp. Imagine if that was a motorbike, look at how easy that would be. And then we press the other button. Let's press the right button again. And down it goes. Oh, so nice. And then when it hits the ground, hey, I like that. Let's take a ride, shall we? So good. And then we can fold it up again. And there it is, all folded away. That's such a cool thing. So cool. So that'll be up for sale. Got to do the thing to shut the doors now. And I've just pulled the whole thing off. Don't do that. Don't wreck the van. Got to do that. The other thing is all sticky. It's not ideal. So we've got a reversing camera, but we've got a nice new system coming. So stay tuned for an Android system with a full 360 panoramic install. Right, so everything else is good. Let's check the functions on the inside. So now we've got power. So we've got a step here. That's the old battery. A bit crusty. I think we'll have to pull this apart. So we've got lights on now. We've got 4 ceiling lights. Lights are controlled here, so obviously on and off. And we've got a fan control, so we can blow the fan in or out. The ignition's not on at the moment, so that's a good ceiling fan. So we'll keep that. Soon I'll do a video of the costs. And what you'll see is a lot of the price I paid for the van, we get back in the lift, in the garage chair, and this fold-up chair is also for sale. We've got cupboards at the top. None of these will be staying, they just look a bit clinical, I think would be the right word. Notice on these ambulances, the handles are moved on the back door, so the release handle is up here and up here, completely different position, so you can get to them. But how nicely everything's panelled in. So when you start with a base van, like I normally do, you've got to make panels to cover all of this, but it's all done for you. So all I've got to do is wrap it in suede or carpet, and we've got a, well, the work's done for us. We even get above the door a nice little soft pad. Yeah, it needs covering. We can recover that with some nice leather on it. The handrails, well, they'll likely go because, well, they'd have to have the colour change. My dog's come to say hello. So we've taken out the wheelchair carry now so we can get to the battery. Radio works. Again, as I said, that's being changed for an Android 360 panoramic system. So we'll look forward to the install of that. Just waiting for that to arrive. But everything else is good. It's missing a pocket on this door because the wheelchair carries. We need just a few bits, but then you look at the rest of the plastics here they're like new, because obviously no one's sat on this side of the van. No one's even probably pulled that door handle before I did. So with the driver's seat removed, goodness me, look what's in here. Now some of this has already been removed. We've got some old D sockets here which are no longer used. There would have been more. There would have been a black box in here. But to be honest with you, it's not the best location to keep electrics, because it's not easy to get to. Without having to remove the seat, it's not ideal. Plus this is a good storage place, so if I could relocate much of this to somewhere less important, that would be a good thing. So that's it for this video. We'll keep it short and sweet. We've got to do more research on that rear suspension. We've got a handbrake stuck on, and we've got to fix that engine. Find out what's wrong with it. So stay tuned. Next video coming out in a few days' time. We'll start getting some of these mechanics sorted out. What could be wrong? It does run. It doesn't sound particularly healthy. Got to fix those wipers too. Stay tuned for next video. Please subscribe. It keeps the channel going. And post the comments, likes. Let us know what you want to see next. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.